Hey guys, so I whipped together a little video here. Basically, I've wanted to upload some off-road footage of the Scrambler 1200 for quite some time, because I really do think it is a bike that's truly capable. When I bought it knowing that it was going to be a solid all-rounder. And truthfully, this video footage that you're about to watch, you know, I don't have a tremendous skill level in terms of off-roading, and the terrain that I was tackling was pretty gnarly. This whole day I came completely out of my comfort zone. It wasn't actually a very fun experience, albeit some of the stuff that I've accumulated here is of some of the most entertaining clips and moments of the day. If I truthfully uploaded the whole clip, raw footage, it would be me travelling at 5 miles an hour throughout the whole thing, walking the bike, trying to get the best traction I can. I'm swearing left, right and centre. I'm fat breathing like Darth Vader's just thrown back 50 donuts. It would make for just a pretty rubbish watch. So I've chopped the best bits together really, to give you a little insight into the terrain. If you have any questions, by all means let me know. It's just a little something while we're going through the whole coronavirus lockdown. I thought I'd look back at some old footage. The chap I'm riding with is called Will Collins. I highly recommend you check out his Instagram. He's a photographer, he's got a little blog set up, and I'm sure he'll be able to answer any questions regarding his Yamaha T7, so the Tenere 700 he was riding on in this footage. But yeah, enjoy the video. See you on the other side, guys. Cheers. Pure clay, dirty shit. Yes, mate. Nice and soggy. Just look at that rear wheel. I've got nothing. Right, so I've just turned traction control off, because even in off-road mode, the traction control, it was just kicking in too many times to the point where you couldn't actually gain traction. So I've put it in rider mode now, which I've edited, and I've turned traction control off completely. So I'm hoping it will now give me the bite I need to just pull through. There we go. Whew. This is pure slop. Yes! Gimme, gimme, gimme! That side? Fucking deep, yeah? Cheers, mate. Yeah. Fucking hell. Absolute mud.